Bye, boys. Have a good time.
McCluskey?
Yeah.
Over here.
There it is. Take a look at it.
This is the car you do your whiskey running in.
Who tuned it?
You like it?
Uh-huh. Oh, gone. Would you look at that motor?
The guy who did it's one of our boys. He used to do a little running.
Now, Watson operates a garage. We've got him on federal probation, so there.
429, do carburetors.
We've got him on federal probation, therefore he'll help you.
Let it.
Good luck.
See you, fella.
Yeah.
Keep that thing between the ditches.
Gator McCluskey.
All right.
Gator what?
Gator, anything you like, darling.
Kip, I'm trying to talk to Gator. I just want to know the fella's name.
You get me excited, I'll eat you up.
You going to see your mom and papa now?
Yeah.
Right now?
Ready?
I was born ready.
Well, we'll take State 102 and go in past the lumberyard. You think you can handle that big machine all right?
Get on with it.
You just keep your eyes on the road and your foot on the pedal.
All right, Harvey, what's that mean?
number 111. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the race for the golden car with your golden car, Junior Cummings, and car number 61 being the winner of
Howdy.
the race.
Say, how are you? Is that right?
Yeah.
Tell me something. What do you want to mess with an old boy that's just trying to make a living out of white liquor?
I'm only gonna nail one guy's hide. J.C. Connors.
J.C. Connors? Shoot. You might as well try old, swim over to China and get old mousy tongue. Bye-bye.
Courthouse right in the middle of the city square. I like that. Don't hardly see that anymore. That is the courthouse, huh?
Now what's the pool hall? Courthouse across the street over here.
Legalize that shit, it's gonna ruin moonshine liquor forever. Them long-haired hippie freaks, pot-smoking stuff.
Hey! Oh! What do you say, sis?
Oh, hey, dude.
Huh?
Rebel Roy, huh?
Yeah, Rebel Roy. Good-looking rascal. Remind me a lot of you. Had a rebel flag right on the hood, just like you got. Painted right down the hood.
Doggone, that joker could drive.
You want to look at something? Look at that.
Wow. You get yourself some motor there, boy.
What the hell's the matter with you, man? You're gonna get us. Come on, man. Don't act so damn crazy.
What's the hurry, dude?
No hurry, Sheriff. Hot though, ain't it?
Yeah, it's hot. Just don't make it any hotter than it is now.
I won't.
Yeah. You can take it easy in this machine in this county now.
Oh, yeah, we'll take these, Mr. Connor.
I know you will. Women and the police.
Boy, that was cute. I mean, that was cute.
Another day, another quarter.
I woke up each morning, my eyes.
Bought him a damn organ out of that whiskey money. How about that?
Hey, Roy.
You better pop, Gator.
Remember what I said?
What'd she say?
I was telling him about my recipe for shaky pudding.
Shaky pudding. Shaky
Said
pudding.
he'd like to try some.
Hey, Bubba.
No, come on. Come on.
good they die young.